Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Nick from Oakley to talk about the Pitchman R.
Pitchman R sunglass.
Sunglass.
To be clear.
Because you're actually wearing the Pitchman R eyeglass.
Carbon eyeglass.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is Pitchman R, the sunglass.
Does R stand for round?
It stands for round.
I've been doing my homework.
You are correct.
Round glasses are like happening right now.
It's kind of the deal, yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of where it's at.
Tell us about why you love these.
So Pitchman R kind of is obviously piggybacking off of the success with Pitchman R ophthalmic, or for your regular seeing glasses. We've seen a ton of success with this shape, so we decided to throw some prism lenses in it, make some cool color combinations, and add it to our sunglass line. All right.
This is Prism Ruby, so cool. Yeah, what I love about these two is the hollow point hinge. So we've had a bunch of different glasses and we're talking about the hollow point hinge, but basically you can't ever lose the screw because there's no screw.
There's no screw.
It's like engineered to kind of all fit together and doesn't wear out, doesn't loosen, doesn't tighten, it doesn't break. I mean, it's pretty rad.
It's pretty cool.
And it's hollow. I could see you guys through there.
Yeah, I think the design of it is cool looking also.
Yeah, it's very like unique and fun, but it's super functional. So very Oakley.
Very Oakley.
I like the keyhole nose bridge, kind of classy, kind of like a little dressier Oakley.
Yeah, you could dress it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is a dual frame material also, same as the regular Pitchman R in ophthalmic. It's an O-matter frame construction front and a C5 alloy temple. What would you say about C5 alloy?
C5 is a blend of 5 different metals for optimal weight and durability combination.
That's really good.
That was like textbook right there.
Very good.
It also has some unobtainium, which the hotter you get and the more you sweat, the stickier and tackier it gets. You see why I'm Sunglass Rob?
I get it.
These are awesome glasses, super lightweight. I love the unobtainium because even though these aren't really like your first choice for going on an all-day hike on, you could. Like they will stay in place, the unobtainium will stay there. I mean, I don't think I'd go like mountain biking in them, but in a pinch they could get it. In a pinch.
Oh.
Pitchman, they'd get by for you. So I think the real true story is the awesome round shape, the keyhole nose bridge, the hollow point design, super comfortable glasses. I would call them about a medium fit. I'm more of a large to extra large guy, and I think they're a little small for me, but kind of small round glasses are making a comeback. They're not uncomfortable. Like I don't think like they're fit wise technically too small for me. I just think for my style aesthetic, they're a little small for me, but definitely small round glasses are coming back. You're more of a small to medium fit guy and they fit you like perfect.
Well, thank you.
And that color with your hair and that beard is just, it's amazing.
Thank you.
I'm gonna think about it later.
I'm blushing.
Yeah, I love it. All right, well, that's the Pitchman R. If you're looking for a little bit more technical information, the width of the lens is 50 millimeters. The height of the lens is 42.5 millimeters. The bridge area is 19, and the width of the frame is 132. That temple length is 140 millimeters. So that's the Pitchman R. You can get them at SportRx. You can also get them at SportRx in prescription. You can get the ophthalmic version at Sport. There's a lot of things you can get at SportRx. If you like this video, thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Oh, any questions, comments, don't be scared. Put down in the comment section. We'll get back to you later.
Bye.